Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Loyverse. Today we are going to learn how to generate the API key that gonna be used in the API's generation. So like you want to create the category, you want to create the customer, you need the API key. So how we are going to get this one? So to get this one, where you have to go is you have to go with the integrations. Okay, so this is integrations. We have access tokens. Okay, add access tokens. Here you need to add the name. Here you need to pass the expiration date. Let's select from here. Okay, then save this. After saving this one, here you will get this one, custom contact, and here this is the API key and expiration date also coming. So you need to just copy this one and paste it in the API section over here. Okay, and after that the API will gonna be work. So this one all the APIs that we have, we are going to do that in the Node.js. Okay, if you want me to do in some another one, then you can also let me know, whether this to be a PHP, whether this to be a WordPress or Magento. Do write me know in the comment section, right? So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. In the next video we are going to learn how to create category via REST API, and we can see into our dashboard that this category gonna be created in that point. Okay, so the category series will be started, like how to create a category, how to update a category, how to delete a category, how to retrieve all the categories. We are going to learn in the next 4 series, right? So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.